Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, make sure you do that. Get back to us immediately for you to get direct updates. Currently, we have over 250 videos on our platform, which is you can come and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Don't forget, if at all you have complaint or you are expecting the topic to be there and it's not there yet, you can leave a comment below, or you contact us with this number. You can contact us with this number. With this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is allowed. Telegram is allowed. Okay, what I have for you are all these, let's say, how far we can go within 30 minutes. Now, the outline of this video, the first one is a definition of electron volts, and capacitor and capacitant. By the end of this video, you should understand all this. Now, let's move on. Let's start. Now, when we talk about electron volt is defined as the quantity of energy gained by an electron when it accelerates through a potential different of 1 volt. The unit of electron volt is joule. Now, it means, from our previous video, we have said that work done by electron equals to charge multiplied by potential difference. It means kinetic energy. I'm not kinetic. How do I spell kinetic? Kinetic energy, which is a KE, equals to quantity multiplied by volt. And we all know what kinetic energy is in terms of formula: mv squared equals to quantity volt. Now, we all know the definition of this, where what? M is mass of electron in kg, and V is called velocity of electron in meter per second. And also, we all know my V is called potential difference, and Q is called magnitude of electron charge. magnitude of electron charge, which is in coulomb. Okay. With this, let me quickly show one example on this part. Please take note of this. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Now, an electron of charge 1.6 10 raised per coulomb and mass 1.9 10 raised per 3 kg is accelerated between 2 meter weight a velocity of 4 times 10 raised per 7 meter per seconds. The potential difference between that plants is question mark. Now let's see how this will go. Solution. The first thing we do, make sure you write what is given from your question. We have charge, which is known as Q 1.6 times 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. My mass, which is known as M, to be equals to 9.1 times 10 raised to power minus 21. Minus 21. And what else? And velocity, which is known as V, 4 times 10 raised per 7 meter per second. Potential difference, which is known as V, is on question mark. And from the formula form, we are told that my V equals to 1 over 2 mv squared divided by Q. We all know that V cannot equal to 0.5, which is 1 over 2, multiplied by what is my mass, and 9.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 31, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 10 raised to power 7, all bracket of squared, which is velocity, all divided by my Q is 1.6 10 raised to power minus 19, which I am to use calculator at this point. Now, it means I'll be working towards V, which is 7.28 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 16 divided by 1.6 10 raised to power minus 19. Depth of my calculator. Okay. There's my calculator, which I'll be having 4.55 times 10 raised to power 3 voltage. That's what I'll be working towards. That's my answer. That's my answer. Now, let me quickly move on to the capacitors. Capacitors. Now, capacitors. Now, capacitors are the device for storing electric charge as device for storing electric charges. Okay, now that is capacitor. Now capacity, capacitant. The capacitant of a capacitors is defined as the ratio of charge Q stored by the capacitor to the potential difference V between the plants. It means by C equals to Q all over V. My C equals to Q all over C. Now, capacitance is measured in farad, which is F. 1 micro farad equals to 1 new farad, which is 10 raised to the power minus 6 farad, or 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 farad, anyhow you call it. Now, we have 1 nano farad equals to 1 nanofarad, which is 10 raised to the power minus 9 farad, which is, or we can also call it 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 9 farad, anyhow you want it. And we have the third one, which is 1 picofarad. This is farad, sorry. 1 picofarad, which is 1 p farad, which is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 12 farad, or 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 12 farad. Please take note of these. This very, very important. And mind you, capacitance C of parallel plant capacitor is also given by C equals to of A divided by this. That is very, very important. That is very, very important. Now, where now I have A, it's called area of now we are talking about area overlap, area of lap lines. Now, A is area of overlap lamp. Now, which my D, we call it a distance, or distance between lines, which is always in M. Area is meter squared. This one is meter. And also summation, which is this is called permissivity, which is of material. Of materials in between, of material between plants, which we have it of farad per meter, or we have it at Coulomb square cube, Newton per Newton's meter per meter square, also anyhow you want it. Now that is all about that. Now let me try to show one or two examples on this part. Show one or two examples on this part. A parallel lines capacitor of capacitance 6 farad as a potential difference of 2000 volts between its points. Calculate the charge on either lines of the capacitor. Now, how do I solve this problem? From what I said earlier, solution, my capacitance, which is C, is 600 farad, which is 6 times 6 raised to power minus 6 farad. Okay, potential difference, which is V, will be equals to 2000 volts. And what else do we have? Now, from the capacitance, which is equals to A all divided by V, which my A divided by Q divided by. Now, my Q will be equals to C of V. My Q can now be, what is my C? 600 multiplied by 6 raised to power minus multiplied by 2000, which I will have it as C equals to, which I can turn it to 6 multiplied by raised to power minus 4 and multiplied by 2, multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3, which indices will come up equals to, which is I'll have 12 multiplied by 6, 10 raised to the power minus 1, which is my Q, which will be equals to 1.2 coulomb. 1.2 coulomb. That's all about that. That's all about that. Okay. Those are the things I have for you on this video. I'll be stopping here. Now, next video, I'll be working on series and parallel arrangement of capacitors, which is very interesting. Don't miss that part. It's very, very interesting. Don't forget that you are on with further solutions. Academy. We have over 250 videos here. You can help us to share and also subscribe if you have not subscribed before. And if you want to reach us, you can drop an email below, or you contact us on this number 2380344959990. With this, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and via Telegram is also allowed, either of the three. Once again, thanks for watching.